Yan guys, very nice ang dates. Fresh.
I'm
Ayan.
going to change my labis.
Why?
That's mushkila when I cut.
And then, baden.
After I will wear this. Baden.
Okay. Ang extra, ibutang na mo sa cellophane. Kiss. Kiss. Yan. Hello guys, mag-slice mig fats. What we call shaham. Shaham?
Yeah, sure.
Shaham in Arabic. Ayan, nara among kaldero nga butangan guys. Lutoon ni siya sa mama sa akong amo. Akong amo lang pala kasi amo niya madam. Oy. Knife. And then guys, kaniday siya para ni siya kung magluto mo og
This if you need to.
yeah. I mean, if you need to cook what do you call this?
Salon.
Saluna, ayan. Basta magluto, kung magluto mo guys, muna siya ang igamiton pag-isa. Ang oil ani. Ayan. Oras ka namin ito matapos. Oh, ang dami nito guys. And this is my friend. Oh, ready na. Humadamig TikTok, nag-ilis siya.
Ready now to do the work.
Yes.
Wag it.
Nag-change siya og clothes. Okay, guys. Langan na. Ayan. Let's start.
1, 2, 3.
Go! So, I try this knife. Yan guys. Grabe ka, ano ni siya guys. Ka-strong ang smell. Ani inagluto. Grabe. Makalipong. Yun.
Are you to buy gingerbread?
Good. What she said?
Okay. Lazim, because I put this for tomorrow is enough. Lakin I do now.
They don't buy. For us na. Ay! Guys. Nara guys, among na-slice guys. Still, so much. And my friend, nagluto siya shy. Yun, so much fun. Burger. Nag-order mi sa akong friend. Among hadiya, among gipalit. Ay, idea de, ay, idea. Yan, burger. Then, Sinzar. Ay, Kinza pala. Kinza, cola. Sa akong friend.
This?
Yeah. Because this is not like Pepsi. This is soft drinks but not the company of Pepsi and cola. Another. Yan sa akong friend. Kaon guys. Dinner.